you will be able to see this in favorite indicator. So how do you do that? This, you just have to click that arrow and you will see this JFT zones indicator. All right. And so to explain about this indicator, these red zones and the green zone act as a powerful reversal zones. Okay. So these zones act as a supply and demand kind of thing. So even the lines that you see here, right, the red line and the green line can act as a support and resistance. The beauty of this indicator is that no matter what time frame you use, the zones and the lines are the same. So this is not a laggy indicator. This is a leading indicator, just like CPR and other indicators. And this is not like moving average. This is not like any other, lagging indicator. Strategy took me almost 2.5 weeks for me to prepare this. So please make sure to like this video and also share it with one of your friends, that is any traders that you know. They might find it very helpful. Okay, please do not skip any part of the video. It is very important that you watch every minute of this video and also watch this video for 2 or 3 times so that you get familiar with the strategies. Okay, so here we are going to use our watch list for this strategy. This plays a very important role, our watch list. So you should be able to see this watch list. If you this watch list can be uploaded only in the pro version, so which means a paid version of TradingView. Probably use my link below to get 1 month free trial version, and then you can you can decide whether to continue the plan or something like that. So the reason is the watch list is very important for this strategy, because we are going to go through the all the stocks in a short span of time. So if you do it manually, it's not possible. Okay. Okay, let's get started with the strategy. So at 9:30 to 10 o'clock in the morning, what you have to do is you just have to analyze where the market is moving towards. If you feel that the market is slightly bullish, what you have to do, you just have to sort this change button so that all the top gainers comes here. Okay, you just have to go through all the stocks and see which. Before that, I'll just give you a small introduction about the indicators which is here. Okay, so JFT zones, these zones are formed when the market opens, and if the zones are crossed, there is a possibility that it can move upwards for the rest of the day. There is only a possibility, not 100% of the time it will move upwards. So I'm going to teach you how to avoid fake breakouts and other stuff. So this is what the indicator is all about. It is considered as a potential reversal zones, both at the top side and the bottom side. Okay, so even these lines are respected very well, and these are very reactive lines. So I'll come back to this later. So what you do at 9:30 to 9:50 or 10 o'clock, you just have to analyze where the market is going, and you just go through all the stocks. Okay, and let's say you have selected 5 stocks. You see that the market is bullish, and you have selected few stocks, but you have to narrow it down